Hi and hello to this new video. I show you here how to draw a part of the fur of this beautiful cat face here. We will draw the middle part here of the face. I teach you how to draw the entire cat face in Animal Art Week. It is my upcoming 5 days drawing workshop from May 13th to 17th. You find more information in the link below in the description. We also draw a beautiful horse eye and also a ladybug as a bonus. So I teach you step by step how to draw that. Also, if you are a beginner, I teach you how to draw this beautiful cat face, how to do that step by step. You can sign up for just $10. You can find all information in the link below. Then now let's dive into this insight into the drawing lesson.
Then let's work on that middle part here. Go in here with the black first and add some darks in the fur. So go in here and have a look where the fur direction is going and sketch that in first a bit. So with some black strokes that we go in here and add some black strokes here in the middle of the forehead here. Really have a good look at the reference photo where these hairs are going, and then I add here in that fur direction black strokes. Here above where the black stripes are more over the same place, here you can let them cross also over the black stripes. Draw more of them. Here then also connect them with that lighter fur stripe. Draw some into that lighter fur area here. And here near the white fur stripe on the left, draw finer, thinner black lines leftwards, downwards. The fur is here, so going upwards here towards the middle of the forehead. Let the black lines here cross and overlap. Add here teeny tiny short lines. Here in the middle of the forehead, the fur is a bit finer. So also draw finer lines here. Here we have some darker stains. Let these black strokes also cross a bit. Let's plot in a bit raw amber here in the middle where I have sketched in here that part where the fur comes upwards here from the part here on the right and also from the left here, and then the fur is coming here together and then it is going upward. Let's plot in here a bit of the raw amber and also blend it, and then draw here some little strokes upwards here following the fur direction. Draw that upwards. Add fine strokes, and here where the fur is coming together you can press a little bit more and add some of those thicker shadow parts between the hairs, then the lighter hairs that are here going up, and below the fur then is going downwards. Add here a bit more pressure and then draw the darker lines with little pressure. Here I move the pencil a bit faster and add some very fine thin lines here. Okay, and then let's go in with Ivory and add lighter strokes. Okay, take 103 Ivory then, and let's start drawing here these finer ivory lines upwards. Here use a very light hand again and try to draw finer ivory lines here on the right. Let them cross, let them overlap, let them go here so upwards, following the direction. Here also draw some longer lines and draw them between the black strokes we have drawn first. Sometimes let them also overlap. Here above they can be a bit so longer, the hairs, and then press a bit more while you are drawing them. Let them also overlap the black fur areas, fur stripes. Here also bring lighter hairs between the black. Here are also little clumps or bunches of ivory lines. Draw some longer ones over the same place. Also always rotate your pencil while you are drawing these ivory strokes. Let them cross, let them overlap. Here in the middle, the hairs are going upwards. Here below they are making the bow. I'm sharpening the pencil in the meantime. So always when you have the feeling your lines are becoming too thick, too broad, then go ahead and sharpen the pencil. So I draw some overlapping ends of the hairs out of the lighter fur stripe and then continue to draw here teeny tiny short ivory lines that are going here so upwards. Always rotate the pencil. Let these hairs overlap. Let them cross. Let them overlap. Some are going a bit more to the right, some more upwards. And here draw the hairs between the black we have drawn here before, where they are coming together and are going then so upwards. And here also add a layer of the ivory fur strokes. Also add some over the black here with little pressure. Let them cross, let them overlap. Let's take the Pista 179. I add here also, here is a bit of a darker fur area. Here I darken that part down a bit with the Pista and add then with black some black lines here. Bringing some black hairs here into that part. And then let's do another layer with ivory fur hairs here. Let's continue to draw some more ivory fur hairs and maybe add also some white ones here. So go over again here on the left with some short little lines that are overlapping here. Let them cross, let them overlap here, some longer hairs above that are going together to a clump here. I also draw someone here below. You can also swipe over with the paper stamp if they are a bit gritty. Remove the dots a bit. Always follow here the direction of the fur. Let's add here some more, so upwards here above. They are making a bow, going here to the right. Have a good look at the reference photo. In what direction are the hairs going? Then let's add another layer in white. Take a sharp white. So then let's add some more highlights. Go in here once more with some lighter hairs here. Draw a layer with some white lines over it. Also here, let's add some white lines overlap that are showing up a bit more. The more layers you draw here again, the more dense your fur will be, and the more realistic then, of course, your portrait will look like. Okay, let's add here some.
Okay, so I hope you liked the insight into this lesson. And again, I draw this entire cat face with you together in Animal Art Week, May 13th to 17th. You can sign up for just $10 in the link below. It is an amazing community of like-minded people. You will draw together with others, also a horse eye and also a beautiful ladybug. It is always amazing to get feedback, tips and tricks and help support in a private group, in a community. I would love to draw with you together and see your beautiful results. You can join for just $10 in the link below. And if you have any questions, then pop them below. Also in the comments, I'm happy to answer your questions. Okay, and then I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye.